My name is Tina. Today, we're going to be exploring 12 websites, valuable contents like this. Up on our list, my lovelies, welcome back to Wellpulse TV channel, your go-to channel for everything finance, side hustles, and financial freedom. If you are new here, my name is Tina, and today we're diving into an exciting topic that might just change your life. Ever dreamed of receiving free gifts or money from generous or wealthy individuals? Well, you are in luck, because today we're going to be exploring 12 websites where rich and kind-hearted individuals literally give away free money. So, before we dive into that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, like this video, share with your family and friends. That's the only way you can support us and encourage us to continue bringing you valuable contents like this. Without further much ado, let's get straight to today's business. All right, let's get started. First up on our list is number one. It's Reddit's Random Acts of Kindness. This subreddit is a community where people come together to perform random acts of kindness, including giving away gifts and money. Whether you need help with groceries, pay your bills, or just a little cash to get by, sometimes you want to put gas in your vehicle and you just find out you run out of those bucks. Yes, this is a great place to start. However, you need to make sure to share your story. Share a compelling, true story about yourself and be respectful of the community guideline. People here are incredibly supportive, and you might just find the help you need. Next, we have Modest Needs. These nonprofit organizations pride themselves in the knowledge that no one ever goes broke by giving. They pride themselves in this knowledge, and they help individuals and families in temporary financial crisis. If you have a small unexpected expenses that you can cover, this is the right place to go. You can apply for a grant here. And you know what? The application process is super straightforward, and they have a strong record of helping those in need. Check them out. One thing that can make you stand out from the crowd amongst every other person seeking for grants here is to make sure to provide all the required necessary documentations. This helps to increase your chances of approval. Number three is GoFundMe. GoFundMe gives you just the right tool to succeed. While it's commonly known for fundraising, many generous donors look for personal stories they can connect and support. How do you come in to tap into this goldmine? You simply create a compelling campaign, share your stories with honesty and clarity. And you know what? You might be surprised by the kindness of strangers that could come knocking on your door. And after you've done that, do not forget to promote your campaign on social media handles. This will help you to reach wider audience. Coming in at number 4, we have Kickstarter. This platform is primarily for creative projects, but if you have an innovative idea, product, or services, you can get backers to fund your project. There are lots of wealthy individuals often browsing Kickstarter looking for projects they can connect with in order to support. Why do you want to go to the bank to get a loan and start paying interest, high interest rates, if you can get a donor to, roll out the money and support your project? Kickstarter is a place to be. And make sure your pitch is engaging and your goals are clear. Moving on to the 5th website, but lovelies, you know what I want to ask? do not forget to subscribe to this channel. We're counting on your support. Okay, now moving on to the fifth website is Patreon. Patreon is a platform that allows creators to receive funding directly from their fans. If you create valuable content, you can just set up a Patreon page and ask the audience to support you financially. On this Patreon, remember to always offer exclusive contents or perks. This will actually help encourage more people to become your patron. Next is Fundly. This is similar to GoFundMe. Fundly allows you to create a campaigns for personal reasons, for personal projects or events. The key here is to tell a compelling story that's going to, win the support of these wealthy individuals. And once they trust you and they invest in you, the only way you can appreciate these individuals is by keeping them updated on your journey. Engagement is crucial, guys, and it cannot be overemphasized. Continue to keep your donors informed about your project. At number 7, we have Crowdfunder. This is a platform that is great for startups and entrepreneurs. So, lovelies, do you have a business idea? This business idea, do you package them very well, like we have talked about in the past? Put them together and head on to Crowdfunder. On this platform, you can attract investors who are looking to support innovative ventures. Make sure to present a solid and attractive business plan. I believe you want to attract a deep pocket donor and not just, any person out there. So your ability to present a very solid and attractive, engaging business plans is going to make it or break it. Number 8 on our list is FreeCycle. While it's not specifically meant for money, you can find generous people giving away valuable items. If you're in need of items, household items, things you can use in the house, why not check out this website? It's for free. And sometimes you can also find, individuals giving away free gift cards and cash offers. Who wouldn't, benefit from such, generosity? I will. Check it out. Be sure to check your local listings regularly for updated content regarding this website. Coming 9th on our list is Facebook groups. There are countless groups dedicated to giving and receiving help on social media Facebook. Search for groups in your area or related to your needs and click to join. As you join, you will be amazed by how many kind-hearted individuals ready to lend a hand. Once you find yourself into these groups, engage with the community and be clear about your intentions and about your situation. Next is Twitter hashtags. Oh my God, this sounds so familiar, but lovelies. You can't imagine how many donors you can reach simply by using Twitter hashtags. Hashtags like help others, hashtags pay it forward, and countless so much more have proven to be very effective in connecting you with generous donors. Share your stories and use these hashtags, and that is it. They said the world is a global place and it happens right on Twitter. If you haven't started using this, try it and let me know in the comment section how this is working for you. Be concise and genuine in your tweets in order to attract more attention. And you could just be sleeping and a DM comes right into your phone, and hello, my name is this and I'm interested in knowing more about your situation. How sweet is that? So please be concise and genuine and use the right hashtag to connect. At number 11, we have AngelList. This platform is more for startups looking for investors. You can attract wealthy angel investors willing to fund your venture, provided you have a compelling business idea. This brings us back to what we have discussed initially. Have your business goals, have your business ideas, and put them to paper, put them to black and white. Have them written down and be prepared to defend your vision, your goals, your idea whenever called upon at any time. Have your business plan and move on to angel list in order to attract that donors to yourself. Effective networking and a strong pitch will help stand you out anytime on this platform. Please, lovelies, do not be caught unaware. Be prepared. Coming to the last but not the least, the Secret Millionaires Club. This is an exclusive community where millionaires give away money to those in need. You'll need an invitation to join, but keep an eye. Opportunities comes and you can connect with the members, and before you know it, you're right in there. Who says you can join? With persistence, it always seems impossible until it's done. So remain persistent and keep networking in order for you to connect with people that can help you gain access to this club. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this helpful and inspiring. Remember, there are kind and generous people out there willing to help if you reach out. If you enjoy these videos, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Wellpulse TV, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And don't forget to share this video with whomever you think might benefit from this. And until next time, stay financially empowered.